Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà, ṣé dáadáa ni? In our last video, we used verbs like jẹun, kàwé, sùn, rìn, ṣeré to form simple sentences. Today, we are learning more daily Yoruba verbs you can use every day. Please watch to the end and remember to like and subscribe. So let's learn more everyday actions using just one word, mo, with the new verbs. And when we add which is the hand, it shows an action happening now, present continuous tense, and it means I am in English. Do you get that? Good. This man here is walking. Whenever you are doing any kind of work, you join it with a personal pronoun to give you I am walking, which is ṣiṣe in Yoruba language. Can you pronounce that? Thank you. The students here are learning Yoruba language, and you can express yourself by saying Mo ń kọ́ èdè Yoruba. Kọ́ is to learn, and èdè is language. I am drinking water. To drink is mu. Water is omi. I am drinking water would be mo ń mu omi. Can you try yours? Good. Whenever you're sweeping the floor, you say mo ń gbálẹ̀, from the word mo ń gbá ilẹ̀, and then it becomes mo ń gbálẹ̀. Here, to wash is fọ, and then dishes is abọ́. Now I am washing the dishes will be mo ń fọ abọ́. Can you try to pronounce that? Mo ń fọ abọ́. Amazing. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. And I would like you to comment one sentence using mo with one of the verbs you learned today in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Ó dàbọ̀.